I've always loved games, not just playing them, but trying to understand how they work. One day I realized, maybe I don't have to wonder anymore. Maybe I can just build one myself. Most people start with Unity or Unreal, but I wanted something different, something lighter, something that runs right in your browser. That's where Babylon.JS comes in. It's not the easy way, but it's the web way. Let's start. Step 1, let's create a project. I'm going with Bun, Vite and TypeScript. Then let's add the core packages, Babylon.JS core and loader. Now cleanup time. Delete a counter file, place a canvas element inside your body, link your CSS and make sure the canvas is full screen, clear your main TS and we are ready to go. So how does Babylon actually work? It really comes to three main concepts. First, the engine. This is the powerhouse. It handles all the low-level rendering. Second, the scene. This is our virtual world. It holds the lights, cameras and 3D models. And third, the camera. This is simple enough. It's our eyes. Let's build them. We grab the canvas, our engine, a new scene, an arc rotate camera, and a touch control. This is key. It lets us move the camera with our mouse. And a light so we can see. Let's add a simple box, just to make sure everything is wired up correctly. And finally, the render loop. This is the heartbeat of our app. It tells the engine to draw the scene 60 times per second. And just for fun, let's make the cube spin. This is nice, but we see some webgl too. Let's fix it and load some 3D models to look like a game. Today, I learned something important. Building a game isn't about tools or engines. It's about patience. Every small victory matters and every broken thing teaches you something. Even if you start with nothing, eventually it takes shape. This is just day one. Next time, I'll try to make the character move. Maybe add some physics. Maybe break everything again. But that's the beauty of it. We're learning one step at a time. If you want to follow this journey, subscribe or just stick around. Let's see what we can build together.